Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a backup script in which you will see first of all how to take a backup manually by running the script. Then second thing, how to zip backup file in the script. Then third one is script for making the size limit of the directory, and the last one is how to use crontab. Alright, so first of all we're going to see how to take a backup manually by using the script. So you have to decide the location of the backup. So I'm in root directory, so I will make one directory that is backups. Okay, so you're gonna see here there is a backups directory, and in this directory I'm gonna take a backup. So after that we're gonna make a script. So suppose I'm creating the script in root scripts. So here I will make my script. So you just need to make a script for taking a backup. So here I'm using vi editor for backup.sh. So I'm making a shell script, that's why .sh is the extension. So here we go inside. So now first of all we have to see bin/bash. Meaning of this is script should be always run by bash rather than the other shell. So we're gonna run the script in shell script, that's why we are using the bash. So okay, the next one is we have to go in backups because we're gonna take a backup in backups directory. So we are using change directory. Then after we want the backup as a name of date. So that's why we are setting a date, that is date is equal to date is date. Then I want first of all there will be a year, then month, then day, sorry day. Okay, so is the directory that we are making. So the name of the directory is first of all year dash month dash day. So next thing is we're gonna make a directory that is mkdir date. So it will make a directory of the date. Then we're gonna copy the files into the date directory. So we're gonna copy the files because we're gonna take a backup. So that's why I'm using cp-r. Then I'm gonna take a backup of suppose home/adi. If you want to take a backup of other drives or other directories, so you can just give the location and you can take a backup. So you just need to give the location, and after that for in where you want a backup. So I want in backups/$date. So in $date you'll see all the backups. So till now we are just copying the files. Now we're gonna zip the directory. So that's why we are using zip-r, then /backups/$date. So and we want the same name, that's why in same location backups/$date. So after zipping the file, it's gonna show the date.zip. Okay, so after that we don't want the original file, means we want original, but in backup we don't want that zip file and the original file. So we just need the zip file, that's why we are removing the backups/$date. So there will be only the zip file, because if you put both the files then the size will increase. So we just need the zip file, so that's why we are removing. And if you want you can give the sleep time, suppose I'm giving 100 seconds, and I'm going to save the file and I'm going to run the script. Okay, so here's something dir Okay, don't need to give the space here. Yeah, the script is now running and it will take 100 seconds to run. So you will see it's gonna copy the file here. It's just copying the file, and after copying it's gonna remove the original file and there will be only a zip file. So it's gonna take 100 seconds. Okay, now the script is over. So we'll go in backups directory, and if you do ls, okay, you will see the zip file here and this file, because the last script was not working, that's why there is a ali folder. So if you want to remove this one, you can remove. So here is only one zip file. Okay, so after that I'm gonna make script for the size limit. So first of all, we see what is exactly the size is. 475 MB. So I'm gonna make a script, and the size limit I'm gonna put some around 400 MB. So if the size of the backups is more than 400, then it's gonna delete this file, that 2015 1/3, that is today's date, and the zip. So I'm making the script for deleting this zip file because it's having a size of 475 MB, and I'm going to set the size of 400 MB. Okay, so I'll go in cd/root scripts again. So here I'm going to make a script. So suppose vi, and I'll give the name size.sh. Alright, so here again hash bin/bash. Okay, now for giving the size we need ifs. Ifs is needed for the bash to recognize the space. That's why we are using ifs is equal to, there's a $\n. Okay, then we're gonna set the limit. So as I said, I'm gonna set a limit of 400 MB. Yeah, and the size should be in KB. So because the backup size is 475 MB, so we just want to check that it's gonna remove or not. That's why we are keeping 400 MB limit. So if you want to give the limit more than that, you can give whatever you want. Then we are specifying the directory size. That's why we need dir size, because we're going to specify it. So dollar, we just need the size. That's why df1sk of the backups. Then I don't want the whole line, I just want the size. That's why I'm using awk. Print $1, because in $1 only is showing the size. So this bracket complete. Okay, here okay, so now the directory size is fake, that we set the directory size, and by using the directory size we can give the condition. So here we are using if else condition. So if that $dir size is greater than $dir limit, then it's gonna show some error, that is suppose the directory size is out of limit, so deleting some old backups. Okay, So I'm gonna close the condition. So what I did here, that if the directory size is greater than this 400 MB limit, then it's gonna show this error that directory size is out of the limit, so deleting some old backups. Alright, so after we are using the while loop, because there's some limit that till the loop is going on, that's why we are using the while loop. So for while loop, we can say the loop size, because we need the loop size for that. Suppose the loop size is dir size. So while dollar loop size is greater than dir limit. Sorry, dollar dir limit, then do. So what is it gonna do? It's gonna find that file and just remove that file. So finding that file, we need to write some script here. So in find slash backups, so it's gonna find that files in the backups. So we're gonna set the max depth for that is 1. Then we're gonna print. Okay, I'll tell you why we are using this print, because it prints the last modified time and the file name followed by the new line. That's why for the time we are using that %t at the rate, then %p \n for the numerical value. That's why we are using this. Then we are sorting the files. Then we just need the topmost file. That's why I'm using head-1. It will show the topmost file. Then I'm using again awk for I don't want the whole line. I just want the name. That's why I'm using awk. Print $2, because in $2 it's gonna show the name. That's why I'm using this. Okay, and after that I'm gonna use the remove. So this is the only one line command, so if you want to do, you can do each command one by one, but I'm doing in one line. That's why I'm using the pipe. So xargs because delete the files even though the space are present in the file name. That's why I'm using xargs -i, then rm-f. Okay, so in while loop, first of all, it's gonna find the file in backups by printing the last modified time and the file name followed by the new line. Then it's gonna sort. Then I just need the topmost file. That's why I'm doing head -1. Then I don't want the whole line. I just want the name of the file. That's why I'm using awk to specify the file name. Then after, I just want to remove that file. That's why I'm using rm-f. So now it's done. So I'm gonna save it. Okay, so I will go in other tab. If you go in backups, you will see this file is present, and if you see the size is 475 MB, and here we are setting the size is 400 MB, and here the size is 475 MB. That's why if you run the script, this file is gonna remove. So I'm gonna run the script, that is sh size.sh. Okay, there are some errors. I'll check what exactly it is. -f, find the backups. Okay. Okay, I think we need here slash. Let's see. Yeah, it's run. So if you go in other tab, here it was showing the zip file and the size was 475. So if we are in backups, so if you do ls, there is no file, because by using that script it removed this file, because we set the limit of 400 MB, and that's why it's removed this file, because it's beyond the limit. So yeah, this is done. Then the last thing is we're gonna do the cron tab. So what exactly is cron tab? We are using the cron tab to schedule any task which perform automatically in the background. So we are doing this script in the schedule time. Suppose I want to back up at every midnight, so I'm gonna schedule this script backup and the size. So that's why you need the cron tab. So if you want to check is there any cron tab job or not, so you can use crontab -l. Then here you will see all the hash, and yeah, actually I did this first. So if you want to remove, then okay, you can edit by using crontab -e. So this is nano editor. Suppose I will give you your hash, because I'm gonna again set the crontab job. Okay, so here I will make the schedule. So first of all, I need the backup at midnight. So suppose I'm gonna set 00 is a minute, 00 is hour, and I need every day. So minute, hour, day, month, and I think this is year. So we're gonna keep the path of the script, that is root slash scripts slash first. It will check the size is okay or not. That's why I'm scheduling the first script is size.sh. Then after 1 minute or 2 minutes, suppose I'm giving after 3 minutes, it will take the backup. So star root script slash backup dot sh. Sorry. So here you will see in 0 minutes 12 midnight, it will run the script automatically in background, and after in 12 after in midnight 3 minutes, means after 12 hour 3 minutes, there will be the script that is backup.sh. it's gonna run. So I'm gonna save it first, then yes, so it saves. So if you wanna see again, then crontab -l, here you will see these both tasks are scheduled and there is a timing. So by using this you can schedule the time whatever you want. So yeah, this is done. So thanks for watching this video and all the best.